I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Update iOS and backup now, because changes to keyboard and passwords can be reversed if needed. Once backed up, open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. Turn on predictive and autocorrection so suggestions and fixes appear as you type. You should also open Settings, right arrow passwords to confirm auto-fill passwords is enabled for accounts. This saves usernames and fills securely. This step ensures the system can both suggest words and insert saved credentials automatically. Now you refine how auto-type behaves by using text replacement. Tap Settings, General, Keyboard, then Text Replacement. Add a new entry. Type the full phrase and a short shortcut. This makes frequent phrases expand instantly. Make sure shortcuts are distinct from common words, otherwise predictions will change your intended text. Once done, review the list and remove any duplicate or conflicting entries to prevent mistaken replacements. You'll notice typing becomes faster and more predictable after a brief tidy-up. Finish by testing in messages or notes. Type common phrases and watch suggestions. If suggestions are wrong, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Transfer, or Reset iPhone, right arrow Reset Keyboard Dictionary to clear learned entries. You can also toggle predictive or autocorrection off, wait a moment, then turn them back on to refresh the system. If issues persist, restart the iPhone and inspect any third-party keyboards. Remove them temporarily to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.